Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Okay, so as what I promised before, I will do record for chapter 8. Okay, I will do record for chapter 8. I try my best to explain, alright? So, in previous class, we learned in chapter 7 is about supply, demand, and then the demand management. Alright, and then again in chapter 8 we will talk about transport system. Before this, in chapter 2 we already discussed on transport system. What is the basic of the transport system? This is the transportation, infrastructure, and also the operation. Okay, in this chapter 8 we will discuss more about another variables that make the system. Okay, they make the system. All right, so let's go to the next slide. All right, we want to discuss about distance. Okay, so the distance, a variable of distance will influence the transportation system. Okay, so we want to talk about vehicles kilometers of travel, or we know as VKT. Okay, VKT is the distance travel measure or how far a vehicle normally travels in a year term. Alright, so it's based on one vehicles. Let's say you have a car. Okay, so when start you buy a car, let's say you buy a new car. Okay, so it's 0 kilometer. So after 1 year, how many kilometer you already use the car? Okay, let's say you open the door and then you sit at the driver car seat. Okay, driver car seat, and then you look at the odometer in front of the steering, and then you can see the odometer. You will state the number. What is the kilometer of the vehicles already travel?